Welcome back. Today we're taking a look at the Grand Mercure Kuala Lumpur Bukit Bintang. And as you can see right here, this hotel has a large entrance area as far as pick up and drop off for your ride, which makes it very easy. You don't feel rushed throwing your bags into your grab. Here's the lobby area. This hotel has a very nice sized lobby. Plenty of room up front to sit and wait for other members of your party, etc. And the front desk were always well staffed. Here's a look at the room. I was upgraded at this hotel. Thank you, Accor. I do have status with them, and this was definitely a nice perk to have. This room was outstanding, honestly. We'll take a look here. We got the iron and the ironing board up front. There you go. Plenty of space for extra bags. I actually didn't use that area. I used over by the closet, but still plenty of space. Here's some drawers. If you want to forget your items, you can use the drawers. Here's the little fridge, the mini fridge. They actually stocked that for free. That was another perk for me. That was nice. Here's the coffee and tea setup. Take a look around the room here for a minute. You can see you've got a nice little couch as well as a good computer desk and a very spacious room. This room felt very open. There was plenty of room to walk around the bed, which is always nice. I enjoyed my stay here at this hotel. I actually ended up extending it further than what I initially planned. But it's in a good area of town, and the hotel itself was a nice place to stay. I enjoyed staying here. Let's go take a look up here near the front. You can see we have our you've got your sink area outside of the bathroom, which is nice. Over here by the closet space, we have the safe. Plenty of room to throw our bags. You can see they got the robes. There's the infamous travel vest over there to the side. We're going to do another review of that at the end of this year, I think. Hi, Bill. How you doing? I would say this is a medium-sized sink area. It's not tiny, but it's definitely not huge either. With that said, it was very well stocked. Have all your free amenities there. Some space underneath. Taking a look in the bathroom, you got the shower. And you can see they do have the body wash as well as shampoo and conditioner. Nice rainfall shower head as well as the spray nozzle. And here's the toilet area. Typical Southeastern Asia setup with the bum gun. I will say this bathroom, even though this is a little tight corner, it felt a little more open than a lot of them do. Let's take a look at the fitness center. I would say they do a good job at this location as far as number of machines. Probably could do a little better with maybe some more open space. But if you're on the road and need to get a quick workout in, this definitely will suffice. All right, here's the pool area. You can see I filmed this right after it rained. But that's okay. We've got a little overhang area here that you have for getting out of the sun normally. Plenty of seating off to the side. You can see this is a nice little area to come sit down by the pool, even when you don't want to go swimming yet. just enjoy being outside. Nothing wrong with that. Here's the showers and quick look at the pool. Nice open area here. I guess I shouldn't complain about the rain. Made it easier to film the pool without a bunch of guests being in the way. Now, breakfast, I'm going to give these guys tons of credit. Like I've seen, I've stayed in hotels basically all year. So I've seen a ton of great breakfast. But the thing that I got to give these guys credit on is everything's spaced out, and the presentation of the food itself, as well as the number of staff in here at breakfast. Like I could never get my own coffee. They were all over it. There, after I think it was after the first day, they remembered what I wanted as far as my coffee, and you can see there's just a very good assortment of hot food here. The guy that cooks the omelets here did just an exceptional job, by the way. I still remember that was one of the best cheese omelets I've had all year. And he was consistent every day. It was just really good. Attention to small detail, I believe. Here you can see plenty of pastries, your breads, your toast, which we've talked about a bunch. Toast is a very popular thing over here. Some milk, some cereals. We'll go through some more hot food here for you. Just tons of good options every day. And like I said, it was the attention to the detail that really set these guys apart. There's plenty of good breakfasts across these hotels. So if you get a special mention from me, that means you're definitely doing something right in that regard. I mean, look at the selection. The selection's good. Fogging up the camera there, Bill. And there's the coffee station with teas. Let's take a quick look around here. Now, I believe from what I was told by the staff that this is actually a new addition to the Accor lineup. This was previously a different hotel, and they're still adjusting. With that said, I thought that they're doing a great job. You can see right here the dining area. Nice. Very nice put together dining area. And I was down there early in the morning every day that I was there. But I don't think they were super busy while I was staying with them. Now, speaking of being a new Accor property, it wasn't listed on the website, but we're about to show you another thing that they just started doing, and that is it's not listed on the Accor website as a property with a lounge, but they are starting a lounge down on the first level. We'll see that. And I think they're just getting that rolling, so it's not huge yet. But let's go take a look at that. I will tell you, these pastries, oh my goodness. The desserts were very good. They had finger sandwiches. You can see the server there in the background. He came by and made sure you got your drinks. They did have a pretty good selection of drinks. You see the food offerings are just getting started. But definitely headed in the right direction. Great stay at this hotel.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to click like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Until next time, farewell.